Cohen from the yacht business, and today I'm going to be taking you through a 40-foot Thomascraft Flybridge. Come this way, let's check it out. Come up forward and check out this master cabin with classic timber finishing and ample cupboard space. Not only does this have a massive twin berth up forward, there is a twin bunks on the starboard side. Now, don't worry, this vessel does have amenities on board. Not only does it have a stand and sitting capabilities in the shower, toilet and a full sink on board. Now we all know, being out at sea, how important it is to have the right kitchen appliances. We've got brand new microwave, brand new gas burner stove, and also a brand new 130 litre fridge. And also to add to this nice little galley, there's ample kitchen space. You've been out at the beach all day with the family, kids have been running amok, or you've been out fishing all day with the boys and you need somewhere to relax. Look no further. Full leather couch with interior Bluetooth stereo system and a brand new TV. Where else do you want to spend your afternoon? Not only is there a swim platform out the back, there's this massive aft deck area. Now, I don't know about you, but right now I would love to sit in one of these chairs, have a couple of lines out, trolling for some deep sea fish. And look, if fishing's not your thing and you want space to entertain your family, take a look at this. There's more than enough room for you and the kids. But guys, obviously the aft deck is very important. Let's go check out the driving station. Now, welcome up to the Flybridge. First thing I want to talk about, there's a fridge up here. So drinks are definitely going to be staying cold, which is very important on a summer stay. But guys, what I want to talk about is there are no expenses spared in this helm station. Brand new Furuno nav equipment, on a nav pod might I add, bow thruster, and two brand new helm chairs, even with the tag still on. Are you looking for a turnkey vessel? Look no further, as this vessel is probably one of the best on the market right now. Guys, I know I'm excited. Let's go check out the tender up forward. Come up forward, check this out. Not only is there a 9.8 Tohatsu tender on board, there's also a crane. So you know what that means? No more breaking your back trying to get the tender in the water. Bit of remote controls, she's in the water, and then you can go off and enjoy some adventures.